Hey, so if you're seeing a limit reached message in Google Gemini, yeah, it usually means you've hit a usage cap. Don't worry, there are a few easy ways to fix or avoid this. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to handle the Google Gemini limit reached problem in 2026. First thing, wait for the limit to reset. Most limits are temporary and reset after some time, like a few hours or the next day. Next, use Gemini less frequently. So avoid sending too many requests in a short time. All right, keep prompts shorter. I mean, long or complex requests can count more toward your limit. Now try starting a new chat. Sometimes ongoing conversations use more resources. Next, switch to another Google account if you have one. So you can continue working without waiting. All right, consider upgrading your plan. I mean, paid plans usually offer higher usage limits. And yeah, combine tasks into fewer prompts. This helps you stay within limits and work more efficiently. So that's how you fix the Google Gemini limit reached problem. Once you manage usage properly, you won't face this issue often.